to my channel, you guys, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress, and this is an emergency, y'all. I had to come on here. Y'all know I be dragging my feet when it come to these videos, but I had to come on here and show y'all my new Lululemon item that I just got in the mail yesterday, y'all. And if you can't wait to see what I got in the mail, of course, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and wait, y'all. I'm gonna just give y'all some time and let y'all go ahead to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Go ahead, take your time. And while y'all doing that, of course, Rufus wanted to say hi. Say hi, Stink. Say hi to your supporters. So I hope y'all went ahead and subscribe to that channel, y'all, because we are about to get into it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy my Lululemon content and all of my try-on hauls and my beauty hauls, y'all. Go ahead and support the dream. All right, y'all, so I could not wait to come on here and show y'all my new item from Lululemon, and it was crazy because I stumbled upon this item when I was just looking around on YouTube, just trying to see what's new at Lululemon. And y'all, when I saw another content creator pull out this bag, y'all, and when I saw the bag, I was like, oh my god, I gotta get it, I gotta get it. Like, I've never seen one of these particular items at Lululemon. It's completely new and I had to get it, y'all. As soon as I seen it, I had to get it. So we are about to see what your girl got in my bag, y'all. And also, of course, if y'all want to see me unboxing this item as well, go ahead and find my TikTok. It's going to be down in the description bar, but go ahead and follow my TikTok, y'all, and y'all will get to see me unboxing this package. So of course I already opened it because I did the unboxing on TikTok, but look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, super duper cute. Like, when I tell y'all, I had to run and get this purse. Like, as soon as I seen it, I was like, I have to run and get it. And when I was ready to get it, y'all, I blinked and the black one was sold out. So I believe they have is the black one, and then okay, so they have black, and then the other color they have is the gray sage / black, and this is the color of the other purse. I'm not sure if you guys can see it really well. It's not really doing no justice because of the lighting, y'all. This is the Lululemon Pleated Shoulder Bag, and this is in the 10L. Absolutely love it, y'all. I love how they got the Lululemon material on the front, and also I can already tell y'all that this bag is water resistant. Like, of course, if it starts raining or whatever the case may be, like, the water is just gonna drip right off of it. And I had to get this bag because of course we love our standard everywhere belt bags, gotta put them on the go. But I got a lot of stuff, y'all. I got a lot of just like chapstick and gum and cell phone and camera, and granted all of that stuff can fit in my everywhere belt bag, the 2L, but of course your girl wanna carry something, and I felt like this was just like the perfect bag, you guys. And look, it has the hidden zipper up pocket in the front, and you guys, and as y'all can see, like, you can stick your arm through the whole front of the pocket, and it looks like it has other little mini pockets inside of the zippered pocket. There's another mini pocket, and I was reading the reviews, and a lot of like moms say they use this as a nice diaper bag because they're not really trying to lug a whole bunch of stuff for their babies. Like, it's enough to put diapers in and maybe like a bottle, some snacks. And for me, you guys, of course I just wanted it because on days where I want to carry a little bit more extra stuff, but I feel like this will be perfect for me when I start school because I'm not really trying to carry a lot of stuff, you guys. And this has like all the different compartments in it. Like, there's another zippered pouch here. Well, not a pouch, but another zippered compartment. And then the bag is very deep, y'all, and I'm just struggling trying to show y'all. But the bag is very deep. And also there are some other compartments in here as well. So like, say if you want to put a perfume in there, or some wipes, or like your contact case, or your cell phone, a mini tripod. Y'all, this bag is very versatile. And I'm lying, y'all, I probably won't use this bag for school now that I'm thinking about it, but I'm definitely gonna use it for when I need to carry a little bit more things. You know, not every day is a light day, not every day is a grab and go day, you guys. And with this strap, it is like, it's not adjustable. I know a lot of people did complain about the strap, and they were wishing that it was adjustable. As far as the bag being on my arm, you guys, I mean, I don't have no problem with how it looks now. Like, I don't need any extra room. So just some specifics about this bag, you guys. So this has a U-shaped silhouette. This shoulder bag is also easily to tuck under your arm, and it is designed for on the move. The retail price is $88. And of course, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it does have the water repellent fabric, and also it has the exterior zippered pocket with a hidden phone sleeve, and also a zippered main compartment as well. And also, of course, you have your interior pockets to organize all of your small items of importance. So as you guys can see, I was able to put the laptop in there, my tripod, my phone, a fragrance, some hand sanitizer. Y'all saw what I put in there. Now granted, even though the laptop, you know, it was kind of wide, so it didn't really zipping up with ease. But if you have like a MacBook product, then I believe that it'll fit in there properly with both zippers being able to zipping up. And I love how it does have two zippers, you guys, to be able to zipping up for extra security. And then, like I said, a lot of people complain about the straps, but I do feel like the straps are very secure, and I don't feel like, even when I had the laptop in the bag, that it was weighing down the bag real bad. So yeah, you guys, I'm so excited about my new Lululemon bag. It's definitely a game changer to Lululemon, and again, I feel as though it's perfect for if you're a mommy or just someone on the go and you need a little bit more extra room. Then, you know, our girl everywhere belt bag, I feel like this is the next best option. And I'm so happy to have shared this video with you guys. Now, I'm not sure if this video gonna be up before or after my Lululemon haul, you guys, but of course, I'm always coming with the new and the most viral and the must-haves, because you know I'm always showing you the new and the true. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for support. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show your girl some love, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.